I really enjoy my job. I get a lot of satisfaction out of it.
Every day's different.
You get to work on big machines and there's potential to make big money.
Being a franchise is a great way to be your own boss.
I would recommend being a franchise to all my friends. It's a great career choice and there's lots of support.
They help you get customers, they help you with stock, they help you with everything.
It's a great opportunity to take control of your life and build your own career and your own future.
Hydraulink are investing in me so I can invest back into Hydraulink.
Why wouldn't you want to be out there making the best money you can make?
Stop thinking and just go for it.